Hello there, wonderful viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to another video. So it's New Year. New Year's Eve parties are going to be happening. Whatever you might be doing, guys, I know you guys are going to be taking this moment to get dressed, to get glammed up, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. So I wanted to make a quick video just showing you guys what I'm going to be doing with my face, with my makeup. Now, I'm not a makeup artist, so please don't come at me. Those makeup artists out there that are watching my video, I'm not a makeup artist. So please cut me some slack, and I'm just doing what I do on a day-to-day basis. And guys, this is a full face makeup. This is what I call a full face. Now, you don't need to be putting this amount of makeup on every day. This is not something that I do every day, but you know, once in a while for occasions like this, you may go ahead and cake on this makeup. Now guys, if you can see my face, you know, it's not in the best condition, but I am doing my best to get my face back smooth and great. These dark circles under my eyes at the moment, I am actually working on trying to fix that. So I'm not using makeup just to cover up, because it's not every day that I wear makeup. I literally just came back from outside and I didn't put any makeup on. But guys, please take care of your skin underneath. If you do have issues like I do, please tackle those issues. And yeah, you can still wear your makeup, but take care of what's underneath that makeup. Anyway, let's get straight into this video. Wow, I literally hate this camera because it picks up every problem on my skin, but this is what this channel is all about, just being completely real, and I want to be real with you guys. So I'm gonna begin by using my Fenty Beauty primer. Now I'm almost out and the pump is actually not working, so I'm gonna go ahead and just take the lid off, and I'm going to put a bit of primer around my face. So guys, if you see me always looking in that direction, that's because the mirror is on this side, and yeah, I need to see what I'm doing. So I've always been told not to use too much primer, so I'm going to go ahead and stop there. Maybe just put a little bit on my eyelid, and that's it. And blend that in with my fingers. So guys, what are your plans for New Year's Eve? I would love to go see the fireworks, but usually on New Year's Eve I go to church. Our church usually have like a night vigil, and it starts from 10 till just after midnight. And I really love opening the year with going to church, because I feel like spiritually we need to have an understanding where we want to go. I mean, fireworks and everything is wonderful to see, but I feel like going to church helps me to grow in my mind and helps me to plan the year ahead in a fantastic way to start. And I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. I had a great Christmas. Last year it was just me and my mum who spent it together. This time we spent it with family, with friends, with dancing, with music. It was great. I loved it. I'm going to be going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation applicator brush. Now, I got this brush as a gift. Now, Fenty Beauty makeup is really affordable, but I'm telling you guys, the brush, I'm sure this brush was around £27. It is not cheap, but the thing is, once you have this brush, that's it. You don't need to be buying any more much, as long as you don't lose it. So I'm also going to be using a Fenty Beauty foundation, and this is in a shade 385, and it's the Pro Filter. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it on my arm, well, on my hand, and I'm just going to go in with my brush. Now, I had to get the Fenty, you know, I asked for this as a gift, and I needed it because I feel like when you get the best makeup, you need to get the best tools to actually make the makeup sit on your face and work really well with your face. Because I've had the foundation for some time, and I've been using some other brushes, some other sponges, and I feel like it didn't go on as well as how the makeup artist, how the person who matched my foundation, it didn't go on as well. But when I got this brush, it just blends in so perfectly, and I really don't have any issues with it. And I will definitely be buying some more brushes just to complete that makeup look. So guys, I'm going to stop there now for the foundation. I'm going to go on to do my eyes and then I will continue doing the rest. So I'm just going to be using a long-lasting brow pencil. Now, I don't even know the brand of this. To be honest, I don't go all out buying eyebrow pencils, you know, spending a lot of money on those, because it makes no sense to me. I feel like the bigger things like foundation, blush, bronzers, things like that really needs to be, you know, you need to be spending money on those things. But it's completely up to you what you spend your money on, but this is just my personal preference. I'm going to be starting by brushing my eyebrows up just to get them in line. I'm going to go ahead with the pencil. I'm now going to use the Fenty Beauty concealer, and this is in the shade 370. I don't know if I'm using the right tool for this. Guys, comment in the box below if this is the right tool to blend out your eyebrow concealer, but it seems to be working okay for me at the moment. Otherwise, I'd usually just go in with my fingers. Now it's the time to go in with my fingers. My fingers never fail, always does the trick. It's clear to see that my eyebrows are not identical, but it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to use my foundation brush to kind of blend that around it. I think this is why some people might go ahead and do their eyebrows first and then they do their eyes, but I suppose it doesn't really matter which way around you do it, as long as the finished look is nice. So my wonderful people, I am literally just freestyling at the moment. I did not plan this, I did not rehearse this, but I'm gonna go in with my palette now. Now, I don't usually put eyeshadow on, but for the occasion of a New Year's Eve party, you have to put it on. So I'm gonna be using the Morphe 35M Boss Mood. I think that's the name of the palette, and it's got all these shades in there. So I'm gonna begin with this shade here as the base. Let's see how this turns out, guys. How am I doing, guys? How am I doing? Ooh, I'm liking it. I think it looks okay. And I'm gonna go ahead with this sparkly one now. Maybe I'll put like a lighter shade just on top like that. Now guys, I'm going to be going in with the concealer again, just under my eyes, just here. I usually go for the cheaper makeup, you know? I usually go for the ones, you know, if you're from the UK, I go shop Primark, Superdrugs, and I'll get just the cheaper makeup because I never really was that much bothered about makeup. I wasn't really the get glam type of girl. But these days, I feel like when you have a good makeup, a good set of makeup, it just makes that difference to your skin. Makes that, not your skin, but it makes that difference to your face. And I love Fenty Beauty. some paranormal activity. I hope I blend this in really well. This brush seems to be doing a good job. Sorry, this sponge I meant. Now I'm gonna go in with my very old sleek contour little kit. When I say this is old, this is ancient, guys. I've had this for so long, but it still does the job. I'm gonna go in with a bit of contour in here, just a little bit, don't need too much. I'm gonna go right here in the crease. In the UK here, in the winter time, literally it gets dark from around 3:30, and I've tried to do this filming before it gets dark, and it makes absolutely no sense because it's still really dark outside. If I show you guys outside, like, it's literally almost, it feels like it's almost 7 o'clock in the evening. In the winter time, it just gets so dark so early, because I like to use the natural light to do my makeup. So if something is showing differently on my camera to what I can see, I do apologize if I haven't blended anything in the best way possible. I'm going to use the lighter shade with my finger and just a little bit on my nose, just there, and just there a little bit. Just blend that in with my fingers. Now I'm gonna go in with my Technique setting powder just around the concealer. Now guys, I don't know what's going on with my sponge, but I'm gonna use my foundation brush to try and blend in this concealer a bit better. I'm going to use the Bad Gal Bang mascara. I won't be putting on any lashes. Number one, I don't have any. Number two, I don't really wear lashes that much because my eyelashes, my natural lashes, are so curly and it curls back on itself, and some of them is doing their own little thing and going in that. Sometimes I struggle to put lashes on, so that's the reason why. This mascara does such a good job on making my lashes just look like I have long lashes, and just makes it stand out that extra. So guys, this is just from my natural lashes. If my lashes was a little bit longer and not so curly, it would actually look awesome. Now I'm just going to blend out the color corrector. So no need for fake lashes, guys. Get your Bad Gal Bang and get those lashes popping. So I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty bronzer, and this is in the shade number 8 in the Mocha Miami. So I'm going to use the bronzer brush. I'm going to start by putting it just below my cheekbones. Now I'm gonna go in with a bit of blush as well. This is also from Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna use my little fancy brush and get that shimmer and shine on. Guys, just look at that. I'm gonna use this as a lip liner. Now guys, I have absolutely huge lips. I wouldn't say huge, I would say it's full lips. So I usually tend to go for shades like this, you know, the brown, the just the darker shades, because I feel like when I put a bright color on my lip, I just look absolutely ridiculous, like a fish or something. I don't know, but it just does not match. It just does not look good on my face, on my lips, if I put lighter shades, really bright shades. Like the pinks are okay. Now I'm gonna go in with a bit of a lighter shade just on the inside, so kind of creating that I don't know, that nude look, that, you know, that type of nude look that you always see people wearing. I just think that suits me so well. This brand is called Mua, M-U-A. Don't know if I've pronounced it right. And this is in a shade Heartfelt. Okay guys, I'm gonna just go over that now with a bit of lip gloss. Okay, so this is pretty much the finished look for my makeup. Guys, I don't really have a setting spray, but if you do have a setting spray, go ahead and spray that on your face. It just completes the makeup and helps the makeup to stay on a little bit longer as well. Okay guys, so that's the end of my video. I want to wish you all a happy, prosperous and wonderful new year to come in this 2023. Thank you so much for tuning into my video. Thank you for your patience guys, because I know I don't bring content out every day or twice a week or something, but I'm doing my best to bring content out there for you guys as much as possible. And if you have your suggestions for whatever video you would like me to make, add that in the comment box below. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to press that notification bell for every time that I upload a video, for you to be notified and you don't miss out on any of my content. Please stay tuned until the next one guys, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.